Is there any candy more feared these days than the simple, innocuous, harmless little jelly bean? If it's not in a package, does that blue mean blueberry or toothpaste? Does green mean lime or grass? Are the speckled ones actually worth trying for the chance at something fruity or popcorny? Or is the threat of smelly socks or spoiled eggs enough to turn away a would-be bean grabber? Liko had an easy solution for the dilemma of too many unknown jelly beans: children. No children were hurt in this process. One Bring Your Child to Work Days slides of chromatograms were making the children of Liko's engineers go glassy-eyed. Gas chromatography, time-of-flight mass spectrometry, was not the easiest concept to explain to interns, much less kids who wondered what their parents did at work all day. The box of unknown jelly beans was a perfect way to give some hands-on explanations. Sorting the jelly beans by color alone was not enough to make them safe to eat. The kids took turns picking jelly beans from the color pairings and tested them by tasting with their own tongues. Winners got to eat a yummy bean. Losers had to eat a gross bean. Cups were provided so no one needed to swallow. Round 2 began, but the kids were wary. No one wanted to be a loser. Enter the Pegasus BT, Liko's benchtop time-of-flight gas chromatography mass spectrometer. For round 2, the kids prepared the jelly beans for the Pegasus to taste. A portion of each chosen jelly bean was placed in a 20 milliliter headspace vial, along with a 5 milliliter of HPLC-grade water and 1 gram of sodium chloride. The samples were then loaded into the Pegasus BT's auto-sampler and began the sample queue. The jelly beans were analyzed on the Pegasus BT under the conditions shown. A 1 centimeter PDMS carboxyn DVB SPME fiber was used to extract the aroma compounds from the headspace of each jelly bean and deliver them to the Pegasus BT for analysis. An RTX 200 ms column was used for the chromatographic separation. The time-of-flight mass spec data were acquired from 30 to 500 mZ at 20 spectra per second. This time, the kids paid more attention to the resulting chromatographs. They studied the resulting total ion chromatograms with all the intensity of research students, comparing the peak-true, deconvoluted, and NIST library spectra for a key flavor contributing compound from each jelly bean. Now that the Pegasus had done the tasting for them, the kids picked their preferred jelly bean. This time, every child was a winner. Liko left the losing jelly beans out in the break room for the scientists to enjoy, forever scarring them away from unlabeled foods.